Wall Street Media. This is Marley. I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you can't get anywhere else.
We've got exclusive stuff. CEO from BB&T
We do.
today.
We have more from BB&T. We have Dr. J. Don Brock, who's the chairman, president, and CEO of Astec Industries. Their ticker is ASTE. Talks about their oil drilling rig that can drill up to 100 feet per minute and can turn horizontally at 300 feet. He also talks about the pulp and paper industry and the machines they build that convert wood to energy. Here it is.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Last year we took our directional drills and raised them up and built them into oil drilling rigs. The directional drill has the ability to push as well as pull, and we have sold a number of these machines. We're adding on to this facility. A typical oil drilling rig depends on the weight of the drill pipe to push. With the ability to push, we can drill at about 100 feet a minute versus about 10 feet a minute on a regular drill rig. We can turn at 300 feet. The first one of the units went over into Indiana, and they went down 379 feet and then went horizontally for 4,800 feet. We then pulled back and made a wagon wheel pattern, drilled 10 wells, hit 108 pay zones from one hole. So we're very excited that this is going to be a tremendous growth for us. Right now we just don't have enough facilities to grow to meet the demand on this type of machine. In the green group, which Steve briefly mentioned, basically we decided to get into the more wood to energy type business. Peterson Pacific was kind of a leader in this area, and we tend to continue to grow in this business. They're about a $75 million company. We tend to look at bolt-on acquisitions that will fit with them. As home building has gone down, when home building was strong, there was a lot of sawdust available basically for free from sawmills. Today, without that, the pulp and paper industry needs the big machines that Peterson builds, and we build machines that will take a tree and delimb it, debark it, and make clean chips. We've now added to that a chipper that will take the limbs and the bark and make that into wood to energy fuel. This is a typical wood chipper. This is typical recycling units, about 1,000 horsepower unit that Peterson builds. This is a machine that will take the trees and delimb it, debark it, and make it into clean wood chips. So that market has really taken off, particularly as home building has slowed down. Peterson also builds blower trucks for putting mulch out, for doing it on large commercial projects in high volumes.
There we are. Good one, right?
There we are. Yeah, and the Peterson that he talks about, he isn't really clear if you don't follow them, but that's a company that they acquired last year from Oregon for $34 million, and they manufacture environment, wood, construction debris, and have a waste product processing equipment. And they're who produce the wood, the whole tree pulpwood chipper, which is what he talks about,
Yeah.
the wood to energy converter and the wood to wood chips.
Do you know what I thought was impressive with this one, Marley? Is I thought, like, they said, like, you couldn't find the sawdust because of construction, right? But I thought, here's a company that instead of just saying, well,
Yeah, there is an
there was a bad sector or something, they're going to move into doing the oil drilling, right? Like, I thought that was, like, that's the initiative they look for in a
And that was
management
fascinating, the tools that they've come out with.
Yeah,
It
one
attaches to the
hole,
oil rig,
right?
and it goes down in and then cuts across.
Yeah, pretty neat, right?
Very neat.
Yeah, fantastic. I think you should watch the whole thing.
You should, yeah. You can go to wsw.com/webcast/BBT12 to watch the entire video.
Fantastic.
And that's all we have for now. We'll be back with more videos later. You can find us at wsmco.com. Thanks for joining us.